Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan Vendredi. Today we're going to show you how to make vegan chocolate chip cookies. Best you've ever had, better than Grandma made. And this is a vegan recipe. Keep that in mind, so there's no meat of course, but also no eggs and no dairy products. Those three categories in commercial production account for 65% of harmful greenhouse gases. If you want to do one thing to help planet Earth, stop eating meat, eggs and dairy. And now, to show you how to make these marvelous cookies and how delicious they can be, here's Paula Jo.
The key to baking is, like chemistry, you have to have the right order, the right amount, and put things together at the right time. So we're going to start with our dry ingredients, and rather than using all flour, I've ground up some oats, and so this is what they look like normally. I put them in the coffee grinder. So this is our 1 cup of oats in, and now I only have 1/3 cup of flour left over. That's all we need. So there goes 1/3 cup of flour. And these are chocolate chip cookies. So we've got half a cup now of our carob powder. We're going to mix that all in. Now this is part of our dry ingredient too, but we're going to wait. Right time. So we're going to mix those guys up. Nice and simple. Beautiful. Now let's move on to our wet stuff. And again, the right ingredients at the right time. So instead of eggs, we're going to use flax. And so here we have ground flax. This is what the seeds normally look like. And I've ground them in the coffee grinder again. I'm going to pour water in there and get that guy mixed up a little bit. That's going to thicken, and that's going to be our egg substitute. It's going to help to bind everything together. So while we're letting that harden, thicken, this is our butter replacement. A common one is called Earth Balance. So it's our vegan butter replacement. We only need half a cup. I've combined it with some coconut oil. So half a cup of a mixture of coconut oil and the replacement butter. That has been melted and cooled, and now I'm going to add our vanilla, reduced sugar. This recipe does not call for much sugar, but these cookies are so delicious and chewy. We've got our brown and our whites. Let's put them all in. Mix those guys up. Okay, probably ready for our egg replacement. It's already thick. In she goes. Mix that all up. So simple.
Now I heard you say, Paula Jo, pardon me for interrupting, that you're making chocolate chip cookies. But are those chocolate chips or carob chips that you're holding?
These are carob chips. Carob is a lot less expensive than cocoa, and there's great health benefits to carob chips as well. You can get them in vegan. So in those go. Mix them up. So there we go. We've got our liquid mixture. Here's our dry mixture. We're going to come back to this. Now this is the key to doing things at the right time, and this is the key right now to getting those puffy cookies, because these puff up. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pour our baking powder in first, right there, little pile there at the side. And now we're going to put our lime juice over top, and here comes our little bubbling science experiment there. We're going to mix that in. When I say right time, I mean we're going to get this stirring with that little chemical reaction right away. So get that going right away. Mix it in good. This is what gives us our puff. And our egg replacement is what holds it all together. Our flax. And so that's it for that. We're going to mix those all in. And aside from forming some balls, once I mix this, we are done. When we cook these, we bake them at 350 for 12 minutes. I'll mix this up.
Now Paula Jo, while you're doing that, how about if I show everybody the list of ingredients so they know exactly what is involved in these delicious cookies. Here we are.
Okay, sounds good, Dennis.
And in that short time, I see you've already baked some.
So when we the dough should look like this. The balls form easily. And with this recipe, we get about 20 balls like this. And we'll put those on a coconut oil greased pan. That's the best, the coconut oil. And they end up looking a little like this, nice and puffy. And our little friend here, the moose, likes them because he's a vegan and he only eats plants. So there you go, that's about what they look like. And there you have it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us on Vegan Vendredi. Hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, you can see us on Facebook at natureman.ca or visit our interesting website, also natureman.ca. Thank you.